You want a surprise? What is it? Do you know?
I know.
What is it?
Spice. Chocolate.
Chocolate! A chocolate surprise! Yummy, yummy!
Oh. That's
Oh, ta-ta! No messing?
What did you get, Zoe?
Chocolate.
Was that a surprise?
Will we give Daddy a surprise?
No.
Will we give Daddy a surprise? What will we give Daddy? Daddy, do you want a different surprise?
What have you got?
A different one?
You ask Mummy what it is, Zoe.
Mommy.
What'd you say? What is it? Oh, we should get that first, didn't we?